Welcome to Teach Mechanical YouTube channel. Today we see the topic is flow through pipes in parallel. Consider this is a one pipe is branched into two path. Okay, this discharge is Q, entering discharge, and it is divided into Q1 and Q2. Okay, Q1 is some discharge, Q2 is some quantity of water, and combined together at outlet again equal to Q. Okay, this is a parallel pipe. Okay, so the Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2, right? This Q is equal to sum of Q1 and Q2. Okay, in this arrangement the pipe loss of head for each branch of pipe is same. Okay, in this arrangement the loss of head for each pipe is same. So loss of head for pipe 1 equal to loss of head pipe 2. So 4FL1 V square divided by D1 2G. Here 4F2 L2 V2 square divided by D2 2G. Okay, so here F1 equal to F2. This is the final equation, right? This is the final equation. Next we go for problem. A pipeline of 0.6 meter diameter is 1.5 kilometer long. To increase another line of same diameter introduced parallel to the first in the second half of the length. Okay, first in the second half of the length, neglecting minor losses. Find the increase in discharge. Okay, if 4F equal to 0.04, the head at inlet is 300 mm. Okay, so you have to write the given data first. Diameter of the pipeline D equal to 0.6 meter, length of the pipe L equal to 1.5 kilometer is converted into meter, 1.5 into 1000, so the value is 1500 meter. The 4F value is given 0.04, so F equal to 0.01. Okay, and then head at inlet 300 mm, it is converted into meter, 0.3 meter. Okay, the atmospheric head is 0, is assume value. Outlet head at outlet, and then head loss 0.3. Okay, so head loss 0.3 based on head at inlet, right? The length of the another parallel pipe L1 1500 divided by 2. Okay, second half of the pipe. Okay, 750 meter, and then diameter of the another parallel pipe 0.6. Okay, it is denoted as a D1, right? In this problem we have two cases. The first case, discharge for a single pipe, uh, length 1500 meter, diameter 0.6 meter, right? And then the head loss due to friction of pipe is HF equal to 4FL V star square. This V star indicates the single pipe velocity, right? Diameter into 2G. You substitute all the values 0.3 and then 4F L divided by D into 2G, right? You substitute all the values. I find out the value of V star. Okay, V star value is 0.2426 meter per second, and then discharge Q star equal to area into velocity. This formula is from continuity equation, right? Here you substitute V star and area pi by 4 into D square. You got a discharge for single pipe 0.0685 meter cube per second, right? Then you go for second case, when the additional pipe of length 750 meter and diameter 0.6 meter is connected in a parallel with the last half length of the pipe, right? Here in this diagram, this is the one pipe, and then branch will be on B, okay, same diameter and second half of the length, okay. So the L1 and L2 is there for the parallel pipe, okay. The L1 is BC, L2 is BD, right? Here let Q1 is a discharge in first parallel pipe, Q2 is a discharge in second parallel pipe, okay. Q1 is discharge in first parallel pipe, Q2 is discharge in second parallel pipe. Here Q equal to Q1 plus Q2, right? This is a Q value, okay. Quantity of water entering AB is divided into two portions, okay. But as a length and diameter of each parallel pipe same, so Q1 equal to Q2, okay. The value is equally divided, so Q1 equal to Q2 equal to Q by 2. Consider the flow of pipe ABC or ABD. Head loss through ABC equal to, okay, head loss through AB plus head loss through BC, okay. But head loss due to friction through ABC is 0.3 meter. It is a given value. So head loss due to friction through AB 4FL V square divided by D2G, okay. Here this is the velocity at AB value, right? Here Q by area, here Q is 40 and area pi by 4 into 0.36, okay, 0.6, okay. So here the head loss due to friction AB, here the velocity value, substitute the here velocity value is 4Q divided by pi by 0.36, okay. This is a 4Q, okay. This value is 4Q. So the velocity value is, this value is 4Q. How is 4Q? Here the Q1 equal to Q by 2, okay. So Q by 2, here so here pi by 4, so it converted to 4Q, okay. And then head loss due to friction through BC, here the value of head loss to AB in terms of Q square, and then head loss due to friction through BC 4FL on V square D1 into 2G. Here substitute all the values, okay. Here the V1 equal to Q divided by 2 into pi by 4 into D square, okay. You substitute all the values here, you substitute all the values in terms of Q, okay. Substitute these values in equation and you get the answer for 39.839 Q square. Here the Q value is 0.0867 meter cube per second. The increase in discharge for parallel pipe Q minus Q star, this value is positive, indicates that will be increasing, okay. So that's all about the problem. So one more thing, here head loss due to friction through AB is here 4 0.1 and 750. Here the value of 4Q, okay, 4Q divided by pi by 4 pi D square. Here the pi by 4 is on top, okay. Then only here the 4Q is there, okay. Here the value is 4Q. This 4 is this, okay. This Q is here, the Q is not a 40, okay. Okay, that's all about this problem. And then is one problem you have to work it out. A pipe of diameter 20 centimeter and length 2000 meter connected two reservoir in different water level as difference in water level 20 meter. Determine the discharge through the pipe. The additional pipe 20 centimeter and length 1200 is attached last 1200. Okay, the length of the existing pipe. Find the increase in discharge. Okay, same like a last problem. Okay, take F equal to 0.015, neglecting minor losses. Okay, you can approach this problem like a last problem. Okay, here the outlet loss is there is no need to consider that. Why means here the neglecting minor losses, only consider for major losses. You same approach for last problem. Okay, okay, that's all about the today's session. If you have any doubt, you post on comment, I will explain. Okay, thank you.